Well, actually, it all began when I was sitting outside Bandra Court, waiting for a judgment on an obscenity case for a film called Rogue, which I actually won. And my executive producer of Jism, Sheel Kumar, asked me a question. He said, Pooja, why not Jism 2? And I said, yeah, why not actually? And I asked my father, I said, do you think that we are capable of making a worthy successor to the first part? And he said, let me put my thinking cap on. And he did, and he came up with this germ of an idea. And that's how Jism 2 was born. We spent 3 years getting the script and everything in order. And then once we signed Sunny, Randeep and Arnu there, the film had a pace of its own. 5th of Jan, we announced that we'd locked her. We started filming on 1st of April, April Fool's Day, how appropriate. And we're releasing on 3rd of August. So it's been a whirlwind kind of romance for me. And one I'm certain, like Isna in the film does, she longs for Kabir and dies to replicate. I'm certain I'm going to have the same feeling with this film.
When I first heard that Pooja was making Jism 2, I hatched a plan which she doesn't know about. I ran to her house and said, hi Pooja, long time. We got talking. I didn't mention anything about Jism 2. Called her up a few days later. Hi Pooja, how are you? Can I come by? She said, yeah. I went to her house and we got talking and I said, listen, I believe you're producing Jism 2. Can we do this together? And Pooja reacted well. She loved the idea. We had worked on a film together, Holiday. So the relationship I share with Pooja was already fantastic.
जिस्म 2 जो है एक इसको हम कहते हैं कि एक कंजर्वेटिव फिल्म है इन अ वे, क्योंकि इसका सफर फ्रॉम लस्ट टू लव है. जैसे जिस्म 1 ये कहता था कि ये जिस्म सिर्फ प्यार करना नहीं जानता है सिर्फ भूख. वो उस फिल्म का एक नैरेटिव सबटेक्स्ट था, मगर इसमें एक पॉर्न स्टार की लॉन्गिंग है, उसकी एक तलाश है फॉर एंड्योरिंग लव. तो कहीं पर इसका जो गोल पोस्ट है वो ट्रेडिशनल है मगर सिंपलिस्टिक नहीं है. वो एक बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट से गुजरकर आपको उस मंजर तक, उस शिखर तक पहुंचाती है जो आपको बहुत ही एलिवेटेड फीलिंग का एक एहसास देगा.
I think it was very interesting to work with Sunny, to come to the fact that at the end of the day she's a girl who's doing her first movie and can have apprehensions which all of you might think that she does not.
I think she's a very brave girl. I think people forget वो कहाँ से आई है और कहाँ अभी कदम ले रही है और फिर क्या-क्या उस पे बीतता होगा. She learned the entire script. She didn't make a single mistake with the words. She worked so hard and she's, I think it's a very brave thing to do. I think if you forget that, then you've lost your empathy. But I think she was wonderful.
जिसको लगता है केवल ये एक एरोटिक थ्रिलर है, मैं उनसे कहूंगा कि ये सही है आपका सोचना कि ये केवल एरोटिक थ्रिलर है, मगर जब आप टिकट खरीदेंगे या फिल्म को देखने का आपका सौभाग्य होगा तो आपको लगेगा कि इसमें एक इमोशनल कोशेंट और एक इंटेलेक्चुअल कोशेंट जो है वो आज के मौजूदा हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा में जो परोसा जा रहा है उससे 10 गुना बड़ा है. और ये वो फिल्म मेकर कह रहा है जिसने आपको अर्थ दी है, जिसने आपको सारांश दी है, जिसने आपको जख्म दी है और जिसने आपको सड़क दी है. हर किस्म का सिनेमा हमने दिया है, मगर जिस्म 2 में एक एरोटिक अडल्ट थ्रिलर का जॉनर है, मगर इसके रगों में एक जीवन का एक ऐसा सच मैंने बोया है जो मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से प्राप्त किया है.